We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and we're looking at a 2020 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Standard in Vivid Black. And this bike also has a couple spots where it has some really nice two-tone gray pinstriping. So we have it here on the front fender and on the front fairing. We also have it on the top of the gas tank on both sides and both saddlebags. The saddlebags do lock, really nice feature. We have rider floorboards, engine guards on the front. We have dual disc brakes on the front as well, and we also have ABS on this bike. This one has the 107 Milwaukee engine. And we also run on a fob, so we are keyless. And miles are 8,054. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.